Up.
If you get it to run, and I give you a heads up.
We're about to piss some people off.
No.
God damn it.
God, this thing's loud.
Oh my god, I want a fucking rotary now. Fuck you, Trevor.
Dude, this thing's so loud.
It's so sick. Oh,
My
shit.
neighbors hate me, bro.
Oh, your neighbors fucking hate you right
Dude,
now.
When I come home and like, they literally want to
Shit.
fucking like murder me, bro. Every one of my neighbors give me bad looks. And I think this is why the girls don't like me. But if I had a Corvette, they might like me. But this is a stinky ass Japanese car. It's 32 years old. It's falling apart. Like, they don't like that.
Give it to me. I want it so fucking bad. Holy shit. You realize this is the first time I've ever ridden in this car, right?
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it the first time?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. How do the brakes feel?
They feel okay. No, we'll just drive it down to the gas station, get some 93 in it, and put my seatbelt on.
Oh, I'm gonna catch it. You're good.
This is the first time I've driven this car in a month, and honestly, I'm pretty happy about it.
I've known that Trevor's had this car forever, and I've sat in it, I've seen it at meets and stuff, but this is my first time ever riding in it. I want a rotary now,
Dude, I'm
already.
stoked. Rotaries are really fun, bro. I mean, for the size of the engine, man, they make the most power. They're efficient in that way, too. You know, just a 1.3 liter.
It's just like an FA20 is a 2.0, so a 13B is a 1.3.
Yeah.
Okay. So like your dad just said, he's like, I wish we could put a 20B in it. So it's a 20B is a 0.7 more liters, so that would be a 3-rotor.
That is a 3-rotor, yeah. And a 3-rotor is like my dream engine, man.
Fuck! Oh shit.
I mean, I'm on the gas. You can pedal through it.
Yeah.
It just has that itchy, man. I don't know exactly what it is, but we'll get it sorted out. It won't be sorted out for the track day, but if you're in it, bro, it's fine. Air fuels always look good.
Yeah.
That's cold. That's cold. So it's got an air pocket.
Can you explain what happened?
So, when my dad was originally trying to bleed the system, he originally thought there wasn't even a thermostat in the car, but there is. And there's a little bit of air in the system, so the car was overheating. So we rolled back up to, it's in Celsius, so we rolled back up to the house, and the car was way too hot.
It's already climbing fast.
And it's climbing hot right now.
Yeah, it's really fast right now.
I think the thermostat's starting to open up, so I think we're able to get a, yeah.
You're barely under load and it starts climbing.
We shouldn't get no higher than really that. We gotta get this fucking thing shut off. Premix you can buy for a rotary, hands down. I don't care what anybody tells me.
Did you get these straps?
Yeah, I need You're lying. Go over, go under, over.
This thing's so fucking loud.
I told my neighbors I'm not sorry. It's like 7:30 in the morning. We're just now getting to Hallett. Sun's coming up nice and pretty. We're gonna get the car unloaded and guess what you're gonna get ready.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It just ripped it off, man.
If you're new and never been on the track with us before, you get your late race license today, come up here front, please.
Go a little bit deeper here before you turn in. Then come back to there.
Okay.
So go out and in instead of in and out.
Out and in.
We'll go deeper before we turn. I'll show you next turn. Straight as that curve. Then turn in. Brake straight there. Now turn tight. Rolling back on throttle. Let the car trap on the left. Try to hold it in.
It's kind of questionable because the way the car is set up, with that big of a turbo on the car wanting to sputter.
Yeah, me and your dad were listening to it on this corner right here.
Yeah, and it definitely, it's just like you have to pedal through that problem.
Yeah.
I think it's due to like a fuel delivery issue.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about. Maybe it doesn't have enough fuel pressure. Just like on corners and stuff.
Maybe so. You know, it's kind of a questionable thing. We'll fix it and get the bugs worked out on it eventually, but just have to learn.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know.
Feels better.
Feels a lot better. Okay.
and you're doing real well. I mean, you're really picking it up. I mean, you're good enough to run in A if you wanted to.
I know there's not a shit ton of clips of this event because the car has been running awful all day. It has either been lean or it has been too rich, and it keeps cutting up at the top of the RPM. Something just told me, put your GoPro on the car this time, even though I hadn't been on it all morning. And this time it actually did run good, but he just came into the pits early, so I think it's breaking up again, or something's broke on it. But he's right here.
Car's getting a little warm, but it runs so much better.
Dude, me and your dad were sitting on the trailer and we were like, what the fuck? It's
Yeah.
actually pulling right now.
It runs so much better. The guy was like, you're really getting the hang of it. He said, you need to drive class. He said, you can drive A if you want. Group A.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Fucking fast, bro.
Yeah,
It was
you
fast.
were
The car
fucking
was-
passing people.
Yeah, I know. The car was fucking sliding around and shit. And he's like, you're really getting the hang of it. He's like, you're doing good. So I'm just letting it cool off. I just need to drive it for a minute. Dude, it felt so good. It felt amazing. I cannot complain. I'm actually a little bit of a happy camper right now, to be honest.
A little bit of one.
So, I mean, I was beating the dog shit out of that thing, dude.
No, you were. Me and your dad were sitting on the trailer, and we actually heard it like pull without breaking up.
Yeah.
We could hear you literally around the entire track,
That's insane.
everywhere.
That's
Like
insane.
all the other cars were gone. We could hear this thing.
Dude, I was so happy I was actually able to rip on it, dude.
Yeah. Do you think if you go out again, I can ride?
Yeah, I'm gonna ask him if he thinks I can take a passenger, like, and then go through all the way through the curve and then smack fourth right here. Push it down in the push it. What do you think?
You're taking my virginity right now.
Oh, I am, ain't I?
I've never been on track. car's actually been working for the past like 3 sessions, I think. Trevor drove all of them. The one that you just saw, the one where we spun, and that was terrifying. That was my first time ever on track, so that was terrifying. But it makes me feel bad. It makes me feel bad for Trevor's dad, because the session that he goes out in, it starts sputtering again, and it's missing up top. So, but this is the last session of the day. We're literally loading the car up right after this and headed home.